Never belittle or forget anything God has ever done for you. Could be He rescued you from an accident, healed you from a disease that would have taken away your life, rescued you from a bad relationship that would have snatched your destiny, came through for you in that difficult situation where no one else would have. Carry your testimony with you. Testimonies remind you of the faithfulness of God in the past, and therefore gives confidence in you that if He did it in the past, then He can do it again. And sometimes it's not just about ourselves, but other people that God has placed in your life as well. When you speak of the faithfulness of God in your life, they are also able to believe in God, and they're also able to trust in Him for their own miracle encounters. We see this from the book of Psalm chapter 103 verses 1 to 2, which says, "Bless the Lord, O my soul, and all that is within me, bless His holy name. Bless the Lord, O my soul, and forget not all His benefits."